Hello, my garden lovers out there. Do you love jalapenos? Do you use it regularly in your sandwiches or in some of the other dishes? I do love it and use it all the time. In the last few years, I realized the store-bought jalapenos has plenty of sugar in it. Maybe it is used as a preservative, and also maybe they're using it to reduce the heat of chili. Most these store-bought jalapeno pickles have got a lot of sugar in it. um, I thought I will make my own. So I started pickling from last year. So last year was my first time I put these jalapeno pickles. This year I thought I would video it and share it with my friends in this channel. So my viewers can also do the same thing. So I took about 10 to 15 jalapenos. For flavor, I'm adding garlic, which I will crush, and then coriander seeds, which is 1 tablespoon, then pepper, which is also 1 tablespoon. And I also have dill, which I took fresh from my garden. You can also use dried dill if you don't have the fresh ones handy. You also require about 1 to 2 teaspoons of salt, depending on how much you need for this. And then 1 tablespoon of honey, also half cup vinegar. So these are the things which I kept ready before I started making my jalapeno pickle. Firstly, you cut the jalapenos in circle to the size you want. You can also keep all the other spices ready so it is there when you need. First of all, pour half cup of water in a pan and keep it on top of the stove to boil. Once it starts to boil, add half cup of vinegar. I used apple cider vinegar. You can use any vinegar from your kitchen. Now reduce the flame and start adding all the ingredients. Firstly, add the crushed garlic. Then you can add the coriander seed, pepper, and the dill. Yeah, one after the other. Wait for the water and vinegar mix to boil and leave it as boiling for about a minute or two. And then you switch off the stove and start adding the jalapenos, the ones which you have kept ready, the circle ones. Yeah. To this, you add about 1.5 to 2 teaspoons of salt, depending on how salty you want. You can also add the salt later on, so you are not overdoing the salt. Now start stirring it a few times and leave it to cool. Once it is slightly cooled down, then you can start adding your honey, which you kept ready, about a tablespoon of honey. Once it's completely cooled down, then add this to a storage container, which you can keep it in the fridge or you can even leave it outside. If you keep it in the fridge, it will stay longer than 1 month. It was so delicious. It was really hot but delicious. I thoroughly enjoyed my jalapeno pickle. I think you should all try this out. Please comment and let me know whether you liked it or not. And enjoy. Please like and subscribe my channel to get more updates like this. Thank you. Bye.